Let's take a video.
Landon, you gonna spend the night at Grandma's today?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could have sleep in the bed there, huh? And then Hunter's coming over in the morning.
Oh, Mommy?
Yeah, you couldn't come over in the morning. Daddy's gonna bring you. Are you hungry?
Daddy, honey.
You hungry? Okay.
Landon, can you say hi to Lauren?
Actually,
You say I love you.
I do.
I love too. Oh my goodness. Come on, shot of Ella. Aw, you want to give her a kiss, Hunter?
Nice.
Aw.
Yeah.
Landon, can you give Ella a kiss? With
Probably not
the
with
pretzel
that
out of your mouth.
Let Grandma hold the pretzel. Thank you.
Can you give her
Now
a kiss?
you can give her a kiss.
So Lauren,
Here,
can
honey.
you see before she starts screaming?
Ugh. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss, 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 kiss. Ooh.
Good job.